Hi friends! The dimensional change test in washing and drying determines the change in dimensions of the textile fabric that are processed with washing and drying in certain conditions. The apparatus and materials we will use in this test are anti-front-loading washing machine, load balancing fabric, dimensional change template of 50 cm by 50 cm size, hard ink pen for marking. Detergents that will be used for washing consist of three groups. 70% of them are EC reference detergent without phosphate, 20% of them are sodium perporate, and 3% of them are tetraacetyl ethylene diamine. An 8.11 gram detergent mixture is prepared to form a 3 cm foam in the washing process. Test samples are conditioned at the conditioning environment for at least 24 hours before the test. The dimensional change template is placed on the fabric. A mark is made in the warp direction of the fabric. Our templates are placed according to this point. After making sure that the warp and weft directions are regular, we mark the pattern between the marked pairs, which are marked with an ink pen. The distance between the marked pairs is 350 millimeters. Each point is prepared with marking. The drawing is done again to identify the location of the cutting on the edge of the template. The marked parts are cut. The test sample is sewn on 4 edges of the sample with the overlock sewing machine to avoid unstitching before we put the sample inside the washing machine. We use 3 different detergents to obtain detergent mixture that will be used at the dimensional change test in washing and drying. 77% of 11.8 grams mixed detergent solution are ECE detergent, and its weight is 9.09 grams. After reading the value on the screen, we put it into a beaker. Then, 20% of the portion of the sodium perporate detergent, which is 2.36 grams, is weighed with scales. This weighed detergent, 2.36 grams, is added to the ECE detergent, 9.09 grams. Then we add tap water and a fish magnet to the detergent, and using the magnet mixer, we make it reach the 40 degrees centigrade. After the detergent has reached 40 degrees centigrade, we cool it to a lower temperature, that is 30 degrees centigrade. Before adding the detergent to the machine, 3%, 0.354 grams of the tetraacetyl diamine, known as bleaching detergent, is weighed. The detergent we weighed is added to the solution that is cooled down to 30 degrees centigrade, and it is made ready for the washing operation. The test sample that we have prepared for the dimensional change is placed in automatic washing machines. Before the placement, the weight is reset on the scales. The load balancer fabrics that are put with the test sample are completed at 2 kilograms. The device lid is closed. After the 2 kilogram value is read on the screen, the washing program is selected from the washing list of the machine. After selecting the desired washing program, the Start button is pushed and the washing process begins. I add the detergent mixture that is previously prepared onto the top. After the washing process has finished, the test sample is dried by required drying methods. There are 5 different drying methods: hanger drying along a straight line, even pressed iron drying, and drum drying. The test sample is dried by applying one of these drying processes. After washing and drying, the test samples are conditioned in standard atmospheric conditions. A dimensional change ruler is used to measure the percentage change of the test sample. The 0 point of this ruler is placed at the point that we measure. The distance between one edge to the other is measured. To measure the amount of shrinkage and elongation of the test samples, the 0 point of the ruler is put at one of the marked points. Measuring the place of the 350 millimeter marked point on the shrinkage scale, we record it. In this way, the measurements of 3 points on the test sample are taken. If the test sample has shrunk or been extended, we give this as a result of the test. If there is an extension, the result is given as positive. If there is a shrinkage, the result is given as negative.